Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel YouTube TV free trial. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV, and then from here, in order for you to get here, because you need to go here, you need to click on your profile on the top right of your screen right here and click on settings, and then you would be prompted right here. And from here, you would need to click on your billing right here on the left side, and from here, click on update right there. And then once you click on this one, you will be redirected in this page right here, and you can see your subscriptions and so on, your active and canceled subscriptions. But if in your case, you would need to verify first that it's you using your account. So you would need some verification from your SIM or maybe from your backup email address. So once you are here, what you want to do basically is that you want to go into payment methods right here. And then from here, you want to remove all your payment methods. In that way, YouTube TV wouldn't be able to charge your cards right here for your subscription. So they won't be able to charge you for the next month or next payment right here. And another thing, if you don't want to remove your payment methods, is that you can go into google.com and then you want to search for cancel YouTube TV subscription. And then from here, you can see this article right here, cancel or pause your YouTube TV membership. You want to click on that right here, click on that. And then you would have your option right here. Click on cancel now, right there. Click on cancel now, and then you would be redirected into this page. So from here, you can cancel your planner right here so that you won't be able to get charged for the next subscription plan. So you can just click on cancel, or you can just pause if you want to. So yeah, that is basically it. Thank you for watching.